Welcome back to another explainer, everyone. Today, we are absolutely thrilled to be unboxing a massive, and I mean massive, update in the crypto space. We're looking at Lace Wallet 2.0, the multi-chain mobile hub. This is a complete game changer. It represents a fundamental shift in how we actually interact with our digital assets day to day. So grab a coffee and let's unpack exactly what this whole shebang means for you. Okay, let's dive into this. Ask yourself, are Web3 wallets just for holding assets anymore? Honestly, no way. That old paradigm, a digital pocket just sitting passively on your desktop browser, that's rapidly becoming a thing of the past. We're moving straight into an era of what I'd call comprehensive control centers. So here's our exciting spec sheet roadmap for the features we're unboxing together today. First, we'll look at the Web3 wallet evolution, then officially introduce Lace Wallet 2.0. After that, we'll cover the jump to mobile, explore multi-chain and midnight privacy, preview what comes next, and finally, look at the impact on the broader ecosystem. Let's get right to it. Section 1, the Web3 wallet evolution. From digital pockets to control centers. Our user needs have literally outgrown those early desktop-bound tools, and here is exactly how. To really appreciate why this Lace update is such a big deal, we gotta look at this evolution in 3 distinct steps. Think of it like climbing a ladder. Step 1, right at the bottom. Wallets started out strictly for just holding and sending your assets. Pretty basic. Then, Step 2 introduced staking, swaps, and connecting to dApps. But Step 3, that is the current paradigm shift. We're talking multi-chain portfolio management. This is where multiple totally different blockchain environments are managed from a single unified interface. It's like having the ultimate universal remote. Which brings us to Section 2, introducing Lace Wallet 2.0. The most anticipated update. Get ready because this is the exact solution to that fragmented landscape we just talked about.
Boom, on April 28, 2026, their official X account announced that Lace Wallet 2.0 officially launches. This is a huge milestone, you guys. A mobile version was likely the single most requested feature update since Lace literally began. With 2.0, the wallet levels up into a totally new phase built entirely around mobile access, multi-chain support, and just a totally complete Web3 experience.
Moving on to Section 3, the jump to mobile. Crypto on the go. Now, what's really interesting about this transition is how we're moving directly from a desktop-only ecosystem right into the palm of your hand. Just look at these Android capabilities right out of the gate. You can send and receive assets, stake directly from your mobile device, seamlessly connect to dApps, execute swaps on the go, and even buy crypto directly, assuming your region supports it. You can literally handle your entire core wallet activity without ever touching a desktop extension. How cool is that? But okay, where exactly does the tech stand today? Well, here is the launch status. For my Android users, it is live right now out of the box with full Cardano and Bitcoin support. Awesome, right? Now, for the Apple users out there, hang tight. The iOS version is currently under Apple review, so it's pending, but expected to drop very shortly. All right, Section 4, multi-chain and midnight privacy, the browser extension hub. While mobile is definitely the shiny new toy, the browser extension absolutely remains the central multi-chain powerhouse of this whole ecosystem. Let's walk through this matrix together. It brilliantly illustrates what's going on here. Look at the top row. The browser extension gives you full support for Cardano, Bitcoin, and Midnight, all in one single place. Down on the mobile row, you've got Cardano and Bitcoin ready to go, with Midnight currently marked as not yet. But the big takeaway? You are managing your Cardano and your Bitcoin from the exact same screen. No switching apps, no hassle. Now, you might be wondering about Midnight. I know, Midnight support sounds like some pretty dense terminology, but it's absolutely crucial. Basically, it's the integration of Cardano's privacy layer. It gives you shielded and unshielded addresses and something called dust generation, which helps anonymize token fractions. But what does that actually mean for us? It means you have ultimate control over what transaction details are visible. You can literally prove a payment happened to someone without exposing your entire transaction history to them. It's a real game changer for privacy. Which leads us to Section 5, what comes next? The future roadmap. As amazing as this update is, the infrastructure Lace is building is far from finished. Let's look at the horizon. Here is what's coming down the pipeline pretty soon. Obviously, that pending iOS mobile release, but we're also looking at hardware wallet support directly for mobile, a dedicated notification center, a credit market, and RealFi integration, which is huge for bridging traditional real-world finance with the blockchain. Oh, and eventually, that powerful midnight privacy support. That'll be hitting your phone too. Now, I really want to emphasize this one specific upcoming feature because it's massive. Future innovation, Bitcoin DeFi access. We're talking lending, borrowing, and staking. So the crucial point is you will be able to do all of this without giving up control of your native BTC. It's bringing decentralized finance for Bitcoin right into your primary wallet. Seriously, think about how powerful that is.
Let's zoom out one final time for Section 6, Impact on the Ecosystem, Elevating Cardano. How do all of these awesome microfeatures actually benefit the macro network?
Well, here are the main ecosystem benefits. First off, it brings true high-quality mobile flexibility to the entire community. Second, having unified management of ADA and BTC is incredibly practical for the everyday user holding both. Third, having Midnight right there in the extension provides a much easier pathway to privacy adoption. All of these things combined with upcoming unified access to emerging markets just create a way more robust, completely connected Web3 experience for everyone. Which leaves us with this final provocative thought. As multi-chain mobility becomes the absolute standard, will single network wallets soon become a thing of the past? Honestly, with these multi-chain hubs completely blurring the lines between networks and the integration of advanced privacy layers, it really makes you rethink the future of your own crypto management tools. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, guys. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.